Hi friends, welcome to Neural Pruning. Today another interesting topic for you, surface areas and volume. To learn these topics of surface area and volumes, we must know solids. Now solids you would have come across, cubes, cuboids, cylinders, cones. So let us learn one by one. To start off with, we need few shapes where their areas, perimeter and volume is required. We'll start first with a circle with radius r. We know in circle we call it as a circumference, which is nothing but the perimeter of the circle, which is 2 pi r. Area is pi r square. Pi is always 22 by 7 unless and until they have given a fixed value in a particular problem. From circle we go to a rectangle, the length and the breadth, where the perimeter is twice the length and twice the breadth, which can be written as perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Area is equal to length into breadth. These are the basic ones which we have learned, the two-dimensional. When it becomes a three-dimensional, the rectangle becomes a cuboid having the length L, breadth B and height h. So here we come across the surface area. When you look into surface, we have the two sides with length and the breadth, the other two opposite sides, breadth and the height, and the top and the bottom again with the length and the height. So here when we calculate, you have twice L into breadth, twice breadth into height, twice height into length. So total surface area of a rectangle can be written as twice LB plus BH plus HL, and their volume is always area of the base into the height. So that is L into breadth into height. That is why volume of a rectangle is L into breadth into height, which we can write it as LBH. Then we move on from cuboid to a cube, where edge or what we call side of a cube is defined as A. Then the area or the surface area is called as 6A square. Volume is A cube. Now from cuboid to cube, we go to a cylinder. When we take a cylinder, consider a right circular cylinder having the radius of the base with r, height of the cylinder is h. Then the total surface area is divided into two, the curved surface area and area of the two circles at the top and at the bottom. So the curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Now the area of the circle we have already learnt is pi r square. So the total surface area is curved surface area plus 2 into area of a circle. Hence it is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. That is the area of a cylinder.